Yeah, hello guys. Today I'll be showing you how to earn $25 worth of BTC in some arbitrage trading platform. So without wasting much time, let's start. First, open your browser, but I'll be using Google Chrome. There's a link in the description. Make sure to use that link to sign up to the platform and be able to get the $25 worth of the BTC.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
So when the page is downloading, it will take you to the sign up form over here. So all that you have to do here is to type in your nickname here. So the nickname I'll be using Magma.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you
And
keep
the
me
email
on
address.
red.
Make sure to use your active email address over
Better
here.
not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something
After putting in your email address, you go to the next page, which is a password. The password must contain an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and minimum of 8 characters for it to be acceptable in the system. But because of the video, I'll be using the suggest strong password by the Google Chrome. Now when you are done with your password, you tap in the number over here, the capture number over here, which is 139. Now, start dealing with everything over here. You check these two check boxes over here, which means you have agreed to the terms and conditions. Then you click on the continue button.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
Now, our account is created successfully. And as you can see over here, the first message shown is the bonus, which is the $25 bonus. So for us to be able to get this $25 bonus, you have to join the Telegram chat. So you click on the Telegram chat button. Then select the Telegram app or use the Google Chrome.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick
Let's
of
wait for
being
the
the
chat to
monster
update.
out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get
So now,
bored of
when everything is done updating, it will automatically bring you to the platform's Telegram chat group. So all that you have to do here is to click on the join button to join the chat. Now, after you are done joining, head back to the platform. Then refresh the page. Now, when you are done refreshing the page, you will click on trading history and go to auto trade history. Now over here you see that they have credited almost $25 into our account for auto trading, and this trade will continue to infinity till you get your profit from the market. So that's it for today, guys. But if you want to invest in what is legit, you can invest your money inside. But make sure to use my link in the description box to sign up and get a bonus. Thank you. Please subscribe and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.